Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Knowledge. Today, in this video, we are going to talk about the most common phrasal verbs related to success with meaning and example. Before this, let me explain what a phrasal verb is. A phrasal verb is the combination of a verb and a preposition or an adverb to give a new meaning. If you don't understand what a phrasal verb is, then just remember these simple equations: verb plus prepositions or verb plus prepositions plus prepositions. First one, payoff, meaning to be successful, to be worth it. If you are continuously doing a hard work for certain things, definitely you will achieve this at the right time in your desired result form. Let's see the example for this. Going to university is expensive, but it payoffs in the long run. Now second, turn out, meaning to happen in a particular way or to have a particular result. It is used to say that something or someone eventually becomes something or is found to have a particular identity, quality, ability, etc. Let's see the example for this. The event turned out to be a great success. Now third one is a get ahead or a stay ahead, meaning to continue to be a more advanced and successfully than other people. Let's see the example. I hope taking a more initiative will help me to get ahead at this company. Fourth is a catch on, meaning to become a popular. Let's see the example. Online trading has been a slow to catch on in this part of the country. Fifth, take off, meaning to become a popular or a successful. Let's see example. After a couple of slow weeks, sales of the new Woodward phone finally took off. Next one is a pull off, meaning to succeed in doing something. Let's see example for this. Nobody expected him to do it on time, but he pulled it off. Now next one, sell through, meaning to succeed very easily, especially in a test or a competition. Example for this, Ria sailed through her finals and got a grade in everything. Now come up with, meaning to think of or produce something, usually an idea, plan, solution or excuse. Example, she is come up with some amazing scheme to double her income. Now follow through or a see through. Meaning of this, to continue until something is finished. Let's see example. The project went wrong when the staff failed to follow through. Next one, pass on. Meaning of this, to refuse an opportunity or decide not to take part in something. Let's see example for this. I passed your message on to my mother. Next one is a build on success, meaning to use success as a base for more success. Example for this, Sarah has really built on her success as a lawyer. Now next one, cheer up, meaning to become more cheerful. Let's see the example for this. I wrote that song just to cheer myself up. Now shout out, meaning to resolve a problem or a misunderstanding. Let's see the example for this. We need to get this problem sorted out as soon as possible. Now next one is a put off, meaning to decide to do something at a later point in time. Example for this, they decided to put the wedding off until his brother had returned from Brazil. Now next, take over, meaning to gain control of. Example for this, I have decided to take over the business now that my father has retired. Now next one, sell out, meaning to dispose of something completely by selling. Example for this, sleeping bags sold out almost immediately. This is the last phrasal verb in this video, move up, meaning move someone or something to a higher level. Example for this, They moved her up to senior management. I hope you ever learned something new from this video. If you like this video, give it a like and share it with somebody. Bye bye, take care. We will meet soon with another interesting topic. Till then, keep watching Knowledge. Like the video, share this video, and don't forget subscribe this channel. You can also visit the Knowledge by following the other platforms.